Hi guys, I'm Ivor and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the video called, I don't know what it's called, but it starts with what a, and then the video goes like ping pong. So the position of the legs is gonna be like this. You squat a little bit, like da 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 da. Now open up your TikTok app and select the music. App is optional, but I will usually add a blink effect on it. Now set it on a timer and adjust the duration to 2 seconds, and you can just freestyle. Just remember to add a shooting pose for the gunshot, and it will look something like this. For the next scene, you gotta set your speed on 3 times and set it on a timer. Set the duration to 2.2 seconds, so it's gonna be a quick second. Then you're gonna start moving from left to right or right to left. Ta-da! And for the next scene, it's basically the same thing. The 3 times speed and set the duration for a quick second, but you gotta come from the other direction. See, it's literally that easy, so just keep repeating the same steps and change your pose every new second. And make sure it's opposite direction so it looks like it's back and forth like ping pong. And for the final part, the beat kind of stops, so it's up to you if you want to freestyle or do whatever that you want. But if you want to freestyle, you can just put your speed back to 0. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below, and shout out to
Thank you Griffin and Cosmo, thank you for commenting.
And I hit 10k subs yesterday. Fan me. Thank you guys so much. I wish I could hug every single one of you, but you know what I mean? Social distancing. See what you get when you comment and like and subscribe on my YouTube video. You get a free shout out. Hey! So see you in my comments and take care. Bye.